So our second session for today, teacher want you to prepare your book, Grammar Plan Net 1. That we will continue our lesson. It's like our new lesson for today, Unit 6 that we talk about. It is a dress. So I want you to open your book on page 29. That in our page 29 for today, we have new grammar to learn that we talk about processive adjective. So please write down our whiteboard this one into your notebook, and after that you need to listen to teacher carefully that what does it mean processive adjective. So those are the processive adjective and the subject that we present. So here we have two columns in here, one is subject and one is processive adjective, that you need to change that subject to another processive adjective, right? That you need to use the processive adjective that one into the sentence, right? Okay, so we need to change it to my, you need to change it to your, he, we need to change it to his, she, we need to change it to her, it, we need to change it to is, we, our, you, your, they, their. So when you use subject this one, you need to change that one to processive adjective that you can see in here. So you need to remember that processive adjective we need to change it to processive adjective is my, right? Okay, so you can write down this one into your notebook. And the next whiteboard, teacher want you to clarify more how to use processive adjective plus noun. So when we talk about processive adjective, we say that it shows ownership for the subject. That ownership is this form mean that it belong to the subject. Ownership is mean like it's mentioned to the noun that we refer to the subject, right? Example, the tall woman is her mom. So who is the tall woman, right? That one is her mom. So her, this one is mentioned to the woman, right? So her, this one we call it processive adjective that refer to the noun, right? Okay, so this sentence means that the tall woman belongs to her. She is the tall woman's daughter, right? And the processive adjective is her that modify the noun like mom, right? Okay, that you can see in this one. And now let's move to the second example, that your car is small. So your is pointed to another person, but they mentioned to the car, right? Okay, your car is small. So I hope that you understand of processive adjective plus noun correctly, and you can write down this one into your notebook. But if you are not clear, you can ask teacher in our group. So now let's move to our book. So you can see in here processive that we have how many columns in here? We have 4 columns in here, that we have one and more than one. So more one we use with I, you, she, he, it, and the name of the person. So when you see the name of the person, when you change it to processive, you need to put apostrophe and s, right? Okay, and this one also is mentioned with 2 person. That's right, we need to put apostrophe with s. That we need to change that one to processive, but this one is in plural, right? Okay, so I hope that you understand our lesson for today. And now let's move to our exercise that we look and choose. So here we have number 1, it is my, or it is her, or it is their hat. So the correct one, it is my hat, right? Okay, number 2, it is her skirt. Very good. Number 3, they are her shoe. Number 4, it is makes ribbon. It is make ribbon. So here is our lesson for today, and thank you everyone for your watching, and see you again for tomorrow. And don't forget to wear your mask and wash your hand all the time. Goodbye. See you again tomorrow.